his 4.80 doesn't quite stack up to those guys. Now, some people obviously play faster than they test, but just an interesting comparison. When you look
there it is. I was going to say Charles Tapper was moving. 4.59.
Lord have mercy.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, he was moving.
At 286.
Yep.
Yeah.
He talking to himself. When you get a guy who's talking to himself, that means I like it.
Tapper with a 1.59 as well, and here he comes his second time through. 4.67 to go with his 4.59.
That young man can move.
Yep.
Yeah, that time. But the one thing that I would tell everybody in looking at his, don't waste a lot of time in the blocks. The guy said he could go. He put his hand down, and he took off. It's like running track. And track means.
And you see him walking away, Buck. He put his eyes on our monitor. He saw that 4.67. Not happy.
Not happy.
Not happy.
He ain't happy, but he happy about the first one, though.
Yeah, that first one's the one that count.